If you want to connect Excel to N8N, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a simple setup, and once it's connected, you can start using Excel inside your N8N workflows much faster. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy automation tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow. You can start from an existing workflow or create a new one if you want to test the connection from scratch. Once your workflow is open, look for the Nodes panel. This is where you can add different apps and actions to your automation. Now click into the search bar in the Nodes panel and type Excel. You should see the Microsoft Excel node appear in the results. Select it and then choose any action you want to use. It does not matter which action you pick for the purpose of connecting your account. After that, you'll see the option to connect to Microsoft Excel. Click that button to begin the authentication process. N8N will then ask you to sign in with the Microsoft account that has access to your Excel files. Go ahead and log in, then approve the permissions so N8N can connect properly. Once your account is connected, N8N will save the credentials and you'll be ready to use Excel in your workflow. At this point, you can continue building your automation, map data from other nodes, and start reading or writing spreadsheet data as needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected Excel to N8N. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more N8N workflow tutorials.